All right, today I got a treat for you. Today we are gonna throw together an easy stir fry recipe. We're gonna get right to it. It's easy to do and it tastes awesome. And I'm so glad to be back to see you guys again. I'm glad you came back to see this recipe. So let's get right to it and get her done. Get back over here and get this thing going because it doesn't take long to make and it is super delicious and I am incredibly hungry. So let's get back here, get her done. Oh yeah, cooking up a stir fry. It's got all the good stuff in there. It's got mushrooms and broccoli, onions, peppers, beans, cauliflower, no cauliflower, broccoli. Might have already said that, I don't know. So good. Oh, I love the stir fries. The spices, you can put so many different spices in there. You can create your own, or you can buy them. I don't always am not a proponent of buying them because you don't know what's always in them, even though the label is there. Doesn't always mean it's telling you what's really in it. But in this case, I am using a store-bought spice to do this. Right now, I'm just stir-frying up my veggies for a stir-fry. All right, I'll show you as I go. There's absolutely nothing better than making something absolutely delicious and so wholesome for you. It makes your body feel good, and it makes you feel good, and it gives your body the energy that it needs, the right energy that it needs. Anyway, I just thought I'd check in. I'll show you along the way as I go here making the stir fry. All right, in this crazy mixture, I'm gonna add some Bragg's amino acids. I'm gonna add some rice vinegar. I'm gonna add some balsamic vinegar. And I've added some sea salt, that stuff right there. Let's see if we can get it to, okay, right there. Some Alaskan Himalayan sea salt. And I've added some curry powder. I'm gonna be using rice noodles. And some ginger. I know, it seems like a crazy concoction, but I've got to tell you what, the end result, pretty doggone good. So I just take some of the Bragg's Amino and I throw it in there, maybe a tablespoon. I've already put some curry powder in there, but I'm gonna put a little bit more because I do like my food being spicy. So now I'm gonna put in some balsamic vinegar. And I probably put in about 2 tablespoons. And now my water is boiling for my noodles. So I'll turn that off and I'll pull that aside. Cover my stir fry back up and I'll be right back. So I have rice sticks and the rice noodles. And I just take those out of the bag. This is what they look like. I know the lighting's bad, but bear with me. I just take them out like this and then I break them up and I throw them in the pot of water. Okay, as you can see, what I did is I just kind of broke them all up. So what I did was I heated up the water first. I brought it to a boil and then I pulled it off the heat. So now it's just sitting here, and then you add your rice noodles in. I like to break mine up. You could just put them in whole if you want to. And then I put them in there and I let them just sit there and soak in that hot water for about 10-15 minutes. And they'll be ready about the same time as my stir fry. Okay, now that I have my, let's see if I can get some light in here. Now that I have my stir fry all stir fried up, now I'm going to add some sauce to it. And you can pick any sauce that you want to, or you can make your own stir fried sauce. So I'm just using like a pad thai sauce. I'm just going to pour it around in there. Stir it up. I can do it without getting in the way. Oh yes, so good. It's just a really easy meal to make. I just bought a couple bags of stir-fried veggies at the store, dumped them in the pan, except for the mushrooms. I cut up the mushrooms fresh. I always recommend fresh, but it's late at night and I was hungry, so I thought I would make up an easy stir-fry. A couple bags of stir-fried vegetables. My noodles are over here soaking. They're almost done. Stir fry is almost done. Simple, right? So nearing the end of the stir fry being done, I have some leftover spinach. So I'm just going to throw some spinach on top of that. Let that kind of wilt down a little bit. Oh yeah, That's what I'm talking about. Good. That's some good cooking right there. Quick, fast, easy, and very healthy. Along with the stir fry that I'm making, I'm gonna make some golden crispy crowns. They're like potato lays, they're like the piece de resistance. They are so good to go along. Dip them in barbecue sauce or any sauce that you would like to dip them in. I happen to like a barbecue sauce that I make. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these in the, and I'll show you. I'm gonna throw it in the oven and I'm gonna air fry them. Got them dumped in the air fryer and I'm gonna stick them back in there. And I'm gonna set them on there for about 12 minutes. And yeah, yummy. They're gonna be good to go. So yeah, once the stir fry is done, I'll put the ingredients to how I made the stir fry. I'll put that down below in the info section. Right now, I'm currently waiting on the air fryer for my tater tots. Well, they're not really tater tots. They're called golden crispy crowns. I like to think of them like a potato olay. They are like super good to dip them in whatever sauce, hot sauce, barbecue sauce, whatever sauce you want to dip them in. So yeah, here's the stir fry. Looks so good. So many colors. Oh, it's gonna be great. So right now I'm just waiting on the potatoes, and when they're done, I'll put this dish together and I will show you a picture of it. All right, it's time to strain the noodles. Here comes the noodle straining. Hold on, there we go. Oh, yeah, that felt good. There we go, noodles are all strained. I'm dumping back in the pan. And get them prepared for the stir fry. Uh-oh, dinger just went off. My potatoes are done. But let's take a walk over here and see. There's the plate. It's all going to be on here in a minute. Gotta pull it out. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Gold and crispy. I love this air fryer. It is so cool. All right, I'm going to go ahead and plate this up, show you what it looks like, and get to eating. All right, there it is, all plated up. That's the stir fry with my little potato, whatever you want to call those, potato dots. They call them crowns. Anyway, there it is. It's all plated up. It's a beautiful meal. Oh, doesn't that look good? This is like simple, super easy to make. So if you're looking for a simple stir fry recipe, it doesn't get any easier than this. And the thing about it is that you can use whatever you want inside this. You can put whatever in there. Let's see if I can rephrase this. You can put whatever you want in that stir fry. Make it taste however you want to taste. But I guarantee you, for the most part, no matter what you do, it's gonna taste awesome. It's quick, it's healthy, and it's super, super good for you. So I just wanted to do a really quick recipe. I don't have the best lighting going on right now, but I just wanted to get a video out to you. Something really super simple, quick and easy. Carpe diem, seize your day. Don't forget to do that. Sometimes it's as simple as going for a walk. Sometimes it can be just simply making a wholesome, delicious meal. I will go ahead and I will post all the ingredients that I use down below in the information box. And don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Click that notification so that way when I release a new video, it'll notify you when I do. And until I see you again, later. Okay. I realize it's not completely official until the cook actually takes a bite of his own food. So if I can keep my fingers out of the way of the camera, I am going to see that delicious meal. That's what we're talking, delicious. That's some good stuff. All right, I'm gonna take a bite of my own food. Watch it. Oh my gosh. All right, I don't want to exaggerate here, but oh my God, that's so good. Oh. All right, on to bigger and better things.